right now I am here in Karuizawa station. Here is the Karuizawa station. The station is itself very beautiful. Today I want to take you to Shiraito Waterfalls. This waterfalls is very famous for its unique shape and the way it originates. Shiraito Waterfall means the waterfall of white threads. If you want to go to Shiraito Waterfalls, then you need to take a bus from bus stop number 2. It's a 25 minutes bus ride. You can enjoy the green forest from the bus window. As Karuizawa is the resort town, so you can see lots of resorts while going towards the Shiraito Waterfalls. Along the trail, this stream water comes from the main waterfall. This waterfall is very unique because it doesn't originate from any river. It originates from the underground water, like rainfall. So regardless of weather and any season, it is always active. Full of greenery, and the roars of the water adds more thrill to your walk. It's slightly uphill and slippery, so you need to be careful while walking. The waterfall is surrounded by green trees. This is one of the best places to beat the summer heat of Japan. Shiraito Waterfall means the waterfall of white threads. In Japan, there are numerous waterfalls named Shiraito Falls. As I told you, Shiraito means white thread, which signifies the gentle white waters falling to the ground. This Shiraito Waterfalls is in Karuizawa of Nagano Prefecture. This waterfall is not the tallest waterfall in Japan, but this 70 meters arc makes it one of the country's unique waterfalls. Falls water is crystal clear and freezing cold. It's so clean that you can see the underneath plants, pebbles, everything. This waterfalls is 3 meters high and 70 meters wide. When you look at these Shiraito waterfalls, you will start thinking about the source of the water. As there is no tall waterfall above it or no water is flowing into it, so what is the mystery of this place? The water is actually emerged from the ground. Underground water spills out of the porous rocks and forms this beautiful arc of white threads waterfalls, Shiraito Waterfalls. It's really amazing to see the force of the water is hitting the bare rock. This arc of water with hundreds of little white strings will mesmerize your mind. If you are coming to Japan in summer, please visit this place. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe my channel to know more about traveling different parts of Japan, and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching this video.